Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Today is a new day and I have come up with a new word for you in the series called Word of the Day. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So let us look at today's word. Today's word is emulate. The meaning of the word emulate is to copy something achieved by someone else and try to do it as well as they have done it. So I'll repeat. The meaning is to copy something achieved by someone else and try to do it as well as they have. Now we will look at a sentence and try to understand this word emulate better with the help of the sentence. The sentence that is given to us says, they hope to emulate the success of other software companies. So here emulate is being used as a verb. Now let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word emulate. The synonyms can be reproduce, parallel or imitate. The antonyms on the other hand can be reject, ignore or scorn. Now guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this given word emulate better. हम लोग हिंदी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड emulate को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, they hope to emulate the success of other software companies. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है वे अन्य सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनियों की सफलता का अनुकरण करने की उम्मीद करते हैं. यहाँ पर emulate का मतलब है अनुकरण करना. So guys, we have used both the languages English as well as Hindi to understand this word emulate better. I hope you liked the video. Like the video, share it with your friends and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.